today's video, I'm going to show you a super easy and pretty style for your fine hair. This is going to be a pigtail hairstyle, so I'm going to separate my hair into two halves with a center part. If you prefer a side part, you can absolutely do that. I just prefer these styles to be symmetrical and come from a center part. The only thing you're going to need aside from your hairbrush is 2 hair ties to secure your pigtails, so let's get started. So we are going to do our 2 strand twist all the way down the side of our head. Now, if this is a new concept for you and you have never done a French 2 strand twist before, I will link the video where I teach you how to do this more specifically so that you can go back and watch that one and then come back to this and apply it to this style, because I'm not going to actually go over how to do the twist specifically in this video. Once I get back behind my ear, I'm just going to keep a hold of the twist, gather all the hair that I separated on that side, and literally just tie it into a cute little pigtail or bun at the side of my ear here. So we'll do pigtails today, but you could also do it as a bun. And then we'll just do the other side. And there we go. Super fast, super easy, super fun for spring. Great way to keep the hair back off your face. You can of course do these and pull it all back into one ponytail. You can do braids, you could do buns. There's so many options if pigtails is not your vibe, but incorporating these little twists into any style like this is a great way to add some texture, some style, a little bit of interest to your hairstyles, as well as a great way, like I said, to keep the hair off your face. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope that helps and gives you another fun style that you can try that is perfect for thin, fine hair, but will also work really well no matter what hair type you have. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like and subscribe if you're not already following my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye.